All right, gentlemen, the holiday is over. Live fire exercise. Let's take out those cops.
No, I'm up for it. All right, let's spend some of the Navy's money.
Got the course set up in the hangar bay.
We're gonna have to be sharp for this mission. I don't like going in with so little intel. And this Gozerov guy, I'm pretty unfriendly.
Yeah, I get the same feeling. You think the kid's ready for this?
Goro's the best weapons man I've seen in a long time. He'll hold up. What about your guy?
Raven's solid, good in a fight, and a genius with anything technical.
Sounds like we got the right team. Present company excluded, of course.
Hey, I'll happily go back on R&R. You could sneak around Karachi on your own.
We're gonna have to watch each other's backs out in the field. Cover your areas and take out these targets as soon as they come into view.
We're on it, Raven.
Take up that position.
Roger that. Moving up.
Eliminate. Affirmative. Engaging target. Lost visual. Moving to your position. Let's breach and flash this room. Remember, we don't know what we're gonna find, so we'll have to assess every door. Keep our eyes and ears open. Flashbang out!
Copy.
Eliminate target. Copy that. Let's clear it out.
Copy that. Going in.
Eliminate target. Affirmative. Engaging target. Roger. Grenade out. Roger. Grenade out. All right, team, it's game time. Raven, Toro, head out and gear up. Remember, we're trapped in light.
You got it.
Roger that.
You good to go?
I wish we had more time, more intel, but the team is solid.
And I've got your back.
I know. That's why I ruined your vacation. Come on, let's get this done.